Good morning, everyone. This is me waking up and stretching myself. So I looked at my room and I noticed that my room is very dirty. So this is how my room looks like. It's very dirty. So I decided to do my house chores and make everywhere, sparkle and glitter. So this is me trying to arrange my wardrobe. So please, if you're coming across my page for the first time, please do share and like this video. So this is me. I'm done arranging my wardrobe. So guys, I got a new cane rack, so I decided to transfer all the things I have from the old one to the new one. This is me doing it, and this is the finishing part. So this 10 naira I've been here for months. I'm not using it. So this is a pocket raincoat. I bought it for rain. So this one, I'm just going to trash them because I'm not using it. I decided to sweep out this part because it's dirty. So this is me arranging my bed. Oh, see, my bed is looking fine. This is me arranging my table, cleaning it to make sure everything is neat. This is me cleaning this part. This is my landline, so I decided to clean it as well to make it look good. This is me sweeping my room. I needed to sweep it because everywhere was actually dirty. So this is it. Okay, I needed to just do everything to be okay. This is me arranging my chairs. So guys, I'm about going to the bathroom to have my bath, so I decided to show you guys my room. So this is now how my room looks like after arranging it. So guys, tell me what you think about my room. Oh, see my cane rack now. Who is checking it? So guys, what do you think about my room? So thank you guys for watching this video. I really do appreciate, and I love you guys. Mwah!